Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to quickly break down what geolocation means and how to set it up on your Bumpa store. Now, sometimes you may have, customers all over the country, and you have stores in different parts of the country, and you want your customers to be able to shop from the store that is closest to them. You don't want a customer who lives in Lagos to be seeing your Abuja store when you actually have a Lagos store. Now, geolocation allows the system to set that up for you. So, what is geolocation? I'm going to define it. Geolocation basically allows the system to identify the location of your customer, and then it shows them the store relevant to them so that they can buy based off of their location and their currency. This is also if you have multi-currency set up on your store. And how do you set it up? It's pretty simple. It's just something that you toggle on. So to do that, navigate to location under operations on the left side menu on your screen. Then come here to settings, and this is it basically. So you just toggle this on and you save changes, and that's pretty much it. So when people visit your store, they will be shown the store closest to them. And that's it on geolocation. I'll see you in the next video.